Good morning, everyone. With high reverence, respectful guests and teachers, my lovable juniors and seniors, and my warm welcome to my fellow mates. Hope you all are safe and secure and sound. In this era of pandemic, this feels literally overwhelming to have a discussion with you all. How pandemic hit our lives. I am grateful to you all for this opportunity. Before I start my discussion, I want to draw everyone's attention towards a small word karma. Exactly like the third law of Newton, for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. We humans are suffering for our own deeds. Corona is just a mere away as a mirror to show us what we really are. The COVID-19 pandemic has led to a dramatic loss of human life and worldwide and presents an unexpected challenge to the public health, food systems, and the world of work. The economic and social disruption caused by the pandemic is devastating. Tens of millions of people are at the risk of falling into extremely poverty, while the number of undernourished people currently estimated at nearly 690 million could increase by up to 132 million by the end of the year. The pandemic has been affecting the entire food system and has laid bare its fragility. The pandemic has decreased jobs and placed millions of livelihoods at risk. As breadwinners lose jobs, fall ill and die, the food security and nutrition of millions of women and men are under threat. Migrant agricultural workers are particularly vulnerable because they face risks in their transport, working and living conditions and struggle to access support. Now is the time for global solidarity and support, especially with the most vulnerable in our societies, particularly in the emerging and developing world. We must rethink our future, our environmental and tackle climate change and environmental degradation with ambition and urgency. Only then can we protect the health, livelihoods, food security and nutrition of all people and ensure that our new world, our new life, new general life is a normal life better than the corona life. The discussion would be continued with the contribution of my fellow mates, fellow participants. Pardon me for any mistakes in my analysis. Once again, thank you. Lastly, maintain social distance, take care of yourself and your family. Stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind.